Hello friends, this video will teach you how to use iSunshare Android Password Genius to remove screen lock and Google Lock without a password. First of all, connect your device to the computer. Then open iSunshare Android Password Genius. If you do not have a specific driver on the computer, you need to click the Install button to install it. Part 1. Unlock screen lock on Android mobile phone. Click Unlock Screen Lock option. Read the warning. Then click the Start button. Here, you can choose the brand of device and click the Start button. Okay, you get the tutorial to put your phone into recovery mode. Just do it now. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons for seconds to restart your device. When feeling little vibration, press and hold power and volume up buttons. Release all buttons when you see Samsung logo. Then your phone is on recovery mode. Click Next on the software to get further instructions. Press volume down button to select Wipe Data Factory Reset option. Press power button to confirm. Press volume down button to choose Factory Data Reset, then press the power button to confirm. Reboot System Now option is selected. Press the power button to confirm. Alright, the software shows remove screen lock successfully. Now your phone restarts and you can set it up as a new one. See, now there is no screen lock on your phone. Part 2. Remove Google Lock or FRP on Samsung mobile phone. When you reset the Samsung phone and forgot the Google account, you can bypass the Google account verification screen to sign into the phone with this software. Go to connect the phone to your computer and then make it connected during the whole process. Click Unlock Google Lock. Choose Samsung brand. Click Start. Now you can choose the Samsung phone Android OS version to proceed. As most people do not know the current Android OS, it is recommended to try the first two options. They will give you the same operation to set up your Samsung phone. Tick the option. Click the Next button. Then follow the steps to set up your phone. Tap the back icon to go back to the welcome screen. Then tap Emergency Call. Tap the keyboard icon. Tap *#0*#. Then the diagnostic menu comes. Now you can click the next button on the software. In no time, it will send a message to your phone. Tick Allows from this computer option and tap the Allow button. Then click the next button on the software. When you see the successful message on the phone, wait for minutes. Your Samsung phone restarts and directly bypass the setup settings. Part 3. Remove Google Lock on Vivo phone. Connect your Vivo phone to the computer and then choose Unlock Google Lock on the software. Choose the Vivo brand. Click the Start button and follow the tutorial to bypass FRP on your phone. Part 4. One-click to factory reset Samsung phones and tablets. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer. Alright, now launch the software. OK, choose one-click factory reset option. Pay attention to the warning. Click the reset button. In no time, you rest it successfully. Your phone reboots and you can set it up as a fresh phone. That's all for the video. You can download iSunshare Android Password Genius to have a try.